one day, it's better we divide into three. And our division too, there's going to be war. There's going to be what? There's going to be war. The wars will happen now. The wars is about to happen because Saudi Arabia is coming to take over some northern countries, northern states, and build vast land of empires and everything, and company. That will be then we'll say bye-bye to Christian race.
This Lagos-based pastor make a lot of sense in this video, though I do not agree to so many things he said, but I think the major part of this video is very correct, and this video is very nice in sensitizing Nigeria the need to return Nigeria to regional government or amend the constitution for Nigeria to secede. Let each region, each tribe, anyone that want to live their own independent country live. This man just hit the nail at the head regarding the issue of trust between tribes in Nigeria and why we can't live together.
So that's what the Lord revealed to me. If care is not taken, the labor of Tinubu may even go in vain with what I've seen for the past 14 months. 2014, it was PDP that said when Nigeria expired. But we're thinking APC can, you know, they use trade by barter. They went to America, they went to British people, this and that, to push Goodluck Jonathan out of the place. It's not that Jonathan did not do well. He has human feelings, but the people around him, you know, it was then we have Chibok girl. Yes. Now we have been using human being for politics. We started from the time of Goodluck Jonathan. That all the Chibok girls, that if he can't find them, he should leave. He's not competent. Do you know the amount of people that got missing in APC regime, in Benue, in Plateau, in the whole Nigeria, even the death of Igbo's brother, and many people that they have raped, and many ritualists, they are now on top. So automatically, if you gave a drum to Kayode in Ibadan, and if Kayode was telling you that the skin, the leather we wanted to use to cover the drum is not enough to cover the face, and in annoyance, you collected the drum again and take it to somebody in Ondo State. If it's still the frame of the drum, it will be done. Even the man there too will say the same thing. Now, there is no how it is going to end up the same thing. But the only thing that can save us out is the judgment of the Yoruba that is in the court, in Hague and everywhere. If by tomorrow they give the judgment that Yoruba can go officially, but for the one of Nigeria, we can't get better. Why we cannot get better is Igbo believe in Igbo. What's the meaning of Igbo? I before others. I before what? If it is, you want to spell it IGBO, that means I am genuine before others. It's still the same thing. So Igbo did not trust Hausa again. Yoruba did not trust Igbo again. Then why do you say we should live together? So they may not end well. So if care is not taken, the labor of Tinubu may even go in vain with what I've seen for the past 14 months.
The labor of our youth
may go in vain because there's nothing to offer. Because the British is still monitoring us. If we can go back to America to be buying refined crude oil, so automatically we are going down the rail. Where is the Jakarta strength? Where is all the factory coming from? We know the amount of money they have been using to go to summit. Now the wars will happen now. The wars is about to happen because Saudi Arabia is coming to take over some northern countries, northern states, and build vast land of empires and everything, and company. That will be then we'll say bye-bye to Christian race. So that's what the Lord revealed to me in the month of February in America. That the Arab is coming to Nigeria, put a company in Ore, put a company in Ebuka, Kanu, everywhere, all belongs to what? Muslim. But if they now ask you, If you are not Muslim, you cannot work there. They have their bank. They have the Arabic bank. They have everything. Where they give them money without taking interest. What is federal government money? It's federal government money. And look at all the traces of the church. It's only the church that they are just thriving. We are not. We can mark it down. The Arab nation is coming to take over. And if you think America is coming to help us, it's a lie. If you think Israel is coming to help us, Israel said they should not mention the name of Jesus in Israel now. Are they the one coming here? When Israel is fighting Hamas now, because of the mineral resources, where the Hamas is, those are what they are getting in Niger and everywhere. But now that they are pushing them away from there, they want to hold on to the other one. You know what I'm saying? So I think we will get it well. Our leaders are puppets to the white people. There's little. Look at what they did to Liberia. All the robbers they collected from Liberia, they bought it with $1. All the gold they are taking from Syria alone, they bought it $0.1. Then all the crude oil they are taking from Nigeria, they are taking 500%. So automatically, Tinubu will play his role and go. Then everybody will just, but one day, it's better we divide into three. And our division too, there's going to be war. There's going to be what? There's going to be war. The British will not allow. The more we know what we're doing, British will be our slave. And what they are gaining in Nigeria, they cannot get it anywhere. Because of Nigeria, they introduce to us, what do they introduce? When you are traveling, diplomatic box, diplomatic load, diplomatic this. All what is in those boxes are raw gold. Are raw gold. I didn't mean the bitumen is in the north, where they will not put pen on paper. By now, you know, those states, there will be a factory for bitumen running. But it's not from those people. There is a British that supported the Zamfara people, that they should use those gold for their state. And they are using the petroleum they got from Bayelsa, from Wari, for all those ones, after polluting their river. So wicked and mean. And they said, the gold belongs to the Northerners alone. Do you know numbers of gold? Abu Salam, Atiku, all of them are taken from Oyo State, from Oshu. But they are just there. They are puppets. That was the reason why they put Adeleke. Because Adeleke did not know his left from right. They pump in money there now so that they can say maybe PDP is. No, he's helping them to protect their mining sites. And even the Honey of Ife, they dash in money because of what they are doing there. So we can't we don't know where we are going. I don't see any joy, any light after the tunnel in the democracy of APC and PDP. It's the same thing. Because the people who left PDP joined APC. Then before the end of this tenure, but the judge can still join APC. You know, we have a lot of political prostitution going everywhere. So that is it. So we should pray to God. If God will answer our prayer, I don't believe, because we are in the hand of the angel. He said in the book of Exodus 23, verse 20, he said he has sent an angel to guide us. And we should not make the angel anoint. So, if the angel is anointed with us, and when you look at the ruling in the Bible, when the children of Israel, in the book of Genesis 15, from verse 12, Israel was sent into what? To the wilderness, to go and sojourn in a foreign land for 430 years. And when the time is up, maybe we have a time to suffer, but the one of the British has expired. They never allow us to go. It's after 100 years. We are still locked down. They used Tinubu to lock us down and worry that APC will change, but nothing is changing in APC. You know the number of looting, Oshibaju, all of them. If Oshibaju is Christian, can he be part of the looting of Nigerian money? So automatically, God cannot answer our prayer now. Thank you, sir.